Hello everyone, today I would like to discuss about the topic element. What is element? A pure substance which cannot be broken into two or more simpler substances by any known physical or chemical means is called element. So element is made up of only one kind of atoms. There are two types of elements like normal elements, radioactive elements. Normal elements are those which do not give harmful radiation. Radioactive elements are those which give harmful radiation. So an atom is the smallest unit of element. It shows all the properties of that element. Elements may occur in free state in nature or found in the form of their compounds. So elements can be classified into four classes. They are metals, non-metals, metalloid and noble gases. Let us see the properties of metals. Metal has luster. That means it has a metallic glow. Metal is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Metal is ductile. That means it can be drawn into wires. Metal is malleable. It can be beaten into sheets. Metal is solid at room temperature mostly, and few are liquids like mercury and gallium. So metal has high melting point and high boiling point. What is melting point? The temperature at which solid converts to liquid is called melting point. The temperature at which liquid converts to vapor is called as boiling point. So metals are sonorous. That means they produce a sound on being hit. Now let us see the properties of non-metals, which are exactly opposite to that of metals. So non-metals exist both in solid, liquid and also gaseous states. When you see the non-metals, non-metals have no luster because they cannot be polished. Non-metal is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metal is not ductile. That means it cannot be drawn into wires. Non-metal is not malleable. That means it cannot be beaten into sheets. And when you see the melting point and boiling point, non-metals have low melting point and low boiling point. And non-metals are non-sonorous. That means they cannot produce sound on being hit. And the third classification is metalloids. When you see the metalloids, elements which exhibit some properties of metals and some properties of non-metals are called metalloids. When you see the examples of metals, you can go like copper, you can go with like copper, mercury, sodium, potassium, calcium, iron. These all come under metals only. When you go to non-metals, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, these all come under non-metals. So metalloids examples are boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium and polonium. So the fourth classification is noble gases or inert gases or rare gases. These elements are found in air in the form of gas in very small amounts. Therefore sometimes they are called rare gases. They are called noble gases because they do not react chemically with any known element. These atoms will not combine with other atoms to form molecules. Examples are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So I told in the beginning like radioactive elements. So these elements emit alpha, beta and gamma radiation. So they are called radioactive elements. For example, uranium, polonium, radium, radon, etc. So this is nothing but called the classification of the elements.